I put on with LBC. I put on with LBC. Yeah, I put on with LBC. On with LBC. I put on with LBC. On with LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's a wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you for joining me this evening. It is Monday, January 26th, 2026 at 10:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. How's everybody doing this evening? I was wondering if I was even going to be able to stream because I've been doing some work on the computer to try and speed it up a little bit. I was having some issues earlier with it, just doing a lot of lagging. I mean, outside of me just getting a new computer or upgrading the hardware, I have to do some other things in the meantime. But anyways, looks like Bitcoin right now is currently taking this high. It has swept this high. So now we just see what it's gonna do. We've got some relatively equal lows over here created during Asia. We got some juicy lows down here as well. But if we just zoom out real quick, I say we're it's a tough call. It's a tough call. We are getting a little bit overextended on the 15. Let's turn this off. There we go. Clean it up a little bit. Get rid of the 830 anchor VWAP. No use of to us now. So yeah, this looks like this could break out. We'll see. We'll see. What's going on, everybody? How you doing? How's your mom and them? Hope you're doing well this evening. Hope you're safe and sound and all that good jazz. What's going on? Let's go ahead and say good evening to everybody. Good evening, V Monitor. Thank you for being here. We've got T and B Willa in the house. Otter gang. What's going on? Thank you for being here. We got All Set. What's up, fam? How you doing? I turn on the LBC. That's what's up. What's going on, Harp? How you doing? How you doing? What's going on, D-Generation X? How you doing? What's up? It was pretty cool hanging out with you guys over in JR's Discord today. That was a lot of fun. I wish I could have been around for longer, but I got kids and I'm home from work. I do have to work tomorrow though. Unfortunately, probably not for long. Probably just go around, check on some clients' houses, and then go home. We'll see. But yeah, we'll see. What's going on? LBCOG, Melissa One Love in the house. What's going on? Johnny Decembro, how you doing? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Yo, finally made a stream today. Hey, and it was mine. Thank you for being here. What's going on? Jay Ara, the Jay Rizzler. How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. We got Grayson in here as well. What's going on, Grayson? Becoming a regular. Absolutely love it. We've got V Monitor. Take a shout at you out. And Kelly. Hey, what's going on, Kelly? Didn't see you up in the voice chat earlier. What's going on? All right. I don't know what's going on with the donuts, but it's apparently an inside joke that I am not privy to. But anyways, so what are we doing? What are we doing, Bitcoin? Okay, so we're getting. Did we sweep the high? I think we did. It's hard to tell. Boom. Wow, really? Okay, let's get on it. There you go. All right, so yeah, that's a nice little sweep. And we've got some juicy lows that it might want to come for. Some relatively equal lows. Yeah. Coming back, trying to come back down to VWAP right now as we speak. Getting a little bit overextended. We have potential bearish divergence playing out. And put in a higher high right there. Lower high right here. Lower high right here. Potentially. It's not the strongest. It is not the most divergent of divergences I have ever seen. So it could be short term. So just gotta be patient. See what transpires. Let's go to the 3. Did some trading today. Pretty much, I don't even know where it's at right now. I think I might have gotten back to break even. I had a really nice trade earlier today, but just put the stop loss on it, let it run, and came back and took the stop loss out, which was above. I mean, it was in profit, but it could have been 10 times what the profit was. Literally the difference was between like $2 and $20, but it is what it is. I am in an XRP long and a Solana long. Yeah, longs. See how those are doing. Let's go check out Solana. Hey, what's going on? I'm long LBC. Hey, what's going on? Alex or Crypto out of gang. How you doing? I'm short. Am I cooked? I don't know. I've been short my whole life. So I've made it pretty far. I think we got some relatively equal highs here on Solana. Like seeing that. The market loves to take out equal lows and equal highs. So remember that. Just like these, taken out. Don't see any relatively equal lows. So maybe just a pullback to VWAP. Put a fib on it. Since this is a new swing, you can put a pullback on it or a fib on it and see what the pullback gives us. Let's get rid of the 830 so it's not noise. We don't need the 830 anchored VWAP when we are trading Asia. There we go. Wait, put that back on. What is this? Let's back this up. Back it up. It's just 1 hour wick. Okay. Yeah, so that's going to be, this is going to be resistance, so we need to get through it. Why resistance? Because it was support a few times before it fell through. And now you're coming back up to it, and you're going to test it to see if you can break through or not. Okay? That's pretty much it. We do have money flow trying to come to the upside on the 1 hour. That would help. But you can see we are kind of overextended on our momentum. So let's get another push. Let's get another push. And that way we don't create any bearish divergences in here. That would be very nice. But we'll see. What bill is being delayed, Alexo? I saw your post. Being delayed due to snow. Well, you know, that's Congress for you. You know, us simple people, we got to go out and we got to work in it. Congress, not so much. They don't care. Any excuse. Alexandra G. Mod boss, mod queen, mod god. Thank you for being here, Alexandra G. And thank you for pinning the Discord link in the chat. I do greatly appreciate you for doing that. Absolutely amazing. Look at all the otters. Let's see the otters in the chat. So yeah, so this Solana's testing that previous support, seeing if it'll flip into resistance. XRP though is above that support. Same story, money flow pushing to the upside. Want to see that momentum continue to follow XRP. We don't want this to come up like this, and for XRP to come up like this, or Solana or Bitcoin, and then pull back, because now we're considering bearish divergence. But this looks like, I mean, even then, that could just turn into a 1-2-1-2 before a continuation to the upside. So this would just be potentially just a little pullback ski. Smash the like. Thank you, Melissa. Thank you all as always. Thank you for being here. I would like to know what bill it was that got pushed, that got delayed. Is it anything important to crypto? I assume it was, seeing as how Alex shared it. But then again, it is trading, so could be anything. Whatever it is, it could also have an effect on crypto. RSI Prime looking okay. Let's turn on some music. Turn down volume so I don't blow any eardrums. If my son would stop making noises, that would be great, because he's distracting me. Love him to death. He's been super fussy because he didn't get a nap today and he got up early. So, double trouble. Got up early and no nap? No bueno. Yeah, potential SFP. But, there's really nothing down here that just screams we got to come down to it. I mean, that FEG was mitigated. What about 4 hour? Mitigated. 4 hour has a juicy bullish divergence. Juicy bullish divergence, at least on the RSI Prime. So I don't think bullish divergences are really, or divergences in general, don't really work too much with the old chart prime oscillator. So that is why I have the RSI primed up here to help with that. Because you can see it put in a higher low, but this did not. And I am going to bet that your standard RSI also put it in. Oh, there goes the music, finally. Yep. Put a 1 in the chat if music is too loud. Put a 2 in the chat if it is A-okay. We've got bullish divergences on the RSI primed and your just standard RSI. So yeah, trying to get a break above that 50. Got a little break here on the RSI primed, but not on your standard RSI. So it'd be nice if we can get a break of that 50 and a break of the 0 line on the Chart Prime Oscillator Pro Plus. Hello, there we go. We need that money flow to start coming back to the upside though, here on the 4 hour. The 1 hour money flow is kind of moving to the upside, so that's looking good. 2, A-okay? Alright, perfect. I mean, I'd be pissy too. I caught me a 2-hour nap after market close. There you go. Clarity Act? Maybe. Is that it? Kids are fun. They are fun. Absolutely love them, man. We got it. There you go. Absolutely love my kids, man. If you need inspiration to do anything in life, have some kids. Let's see, what's the NASDAQ doing? We're still just kind of playing around here with Bitcoin. It's not really doing much. I gotta get rid of this. Don't even really like having 2 on here. Not much for the indicators, but other people like them. So actually getting some bearish divergences here on the 5-minute, but that could just be pullback. Money flows green. It's fine. Let's zoom out. Let's see what kind of waves we're working with here. Shout out to the wave riders. Kind of looks a bit corrective. But are we trying to break new all-time high? No. Okay. Zoom out. Interesting. Pointless. Get rid of this. Alright, so the NASDAQ is kind of trying to be bullish here, is what it looks like to me. Daily's back above that 50. You got the momentum pushing to the upside. You got True 7 above the 0 line. You just need that money flow to come up and follow along price. Now, are we going to get some global liquidity? I read a post today. It was considering, or is concerning the Fed talking about something about interest rates with Japan. But essentially the idea is they would buy Japanese yen to help prop up the economy, or to help prop up Japan's economy, because if something happens to their economy, it can hurt us. So we're gonna prop them up. Can't even prop ourselves up. I mean, we do, but you know, I just think it's funny. We're just gonna inject more liquidity, is what it looks like. More global liquidity. Maybe. It's a little bit more complicated than just, oh yeah, they're just going to buy yen. So that means they have to buy U.S. treasuries and all this stuff. And yeah, I don't know. At the moment, it's currently above my pay grade. Nick Dunn, how you going? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Might be the signal to short on 1 hour. Is that right? I don't know. NASDAQ is looking like it's wanting to break out. And we did get, well, we did get a pullback in gold today, but it's looking like it's not done. Let's go to the 1 hour. We were going over it last night. It's like we really kind of need gold and silver to kind of at least start a nice correction before Bitcoin can really get going. Just historically speaking, that's how it kind of goes. I don't even know that I like that. This is just some weird waveage. Golly. Hold the white stuff. I'm starving. Love me a donor and pita. Pita. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, it's just following the trend. Wait for the trend break on gold. And I mean, these are nice, some nice juicy built up lows in here. But I don't know when this is gonna end. I'd say probably soon. Putting in bearish divergences on the 4 hour. We got a bearish divergence here. That doesn't mean it can't continue up a little more, but hopefully it's coming soon. Silver, about the same. We had this trend, just kind of elevated higher than that. Yep. Silver still just going, man. What's copper doing? Copper looking a little more toppy. See, the thing is, these AI companies, a lot of them are running out of cash. Which means they won't have the money to go and buy more silver and gold. Gonna skip that. A lot of people can't handle the chugga-chuggas. All good. CFDs on copper, man. This is one wild looking move here. Yeah, they're just those AI companies, man. They're just burning through cash. I know OpenAI is on. Some are even saying that it's insolvent. Kind of sucks. I mean, someone would have to come in and buy it, right? Just because it already has such a built-out infrastructure. Nvidia. I mean, bear divs. This is weekly. Let's go to the daily. Meh. Alright, let's go back to Bitcoin. It's just sideways. Yeah, we're still in that bear flag, and I'm still expecting more downside. But we'll see. This could be a running flat, as we've gone over. And it just doesn't go for the lows. Which I would almost prefer, because you break this low and now you're talking about breaking structure. And really, as much as I love my flat corrections, I don't know. Still be fine, I think. VWAP bounce. Yeah. Took this internal low. I'd be more interested if it takes this low. I mean, it just absolutely, boom, tagged it. Bullish, engulfing. But nothing that really says market structure shift. Wait, why'd you say thanks, David? Most of the partnerships OpenAI took were stock offerings. That's one big bum. Yeah. That music, or are you streaming from a construction site, David? Streaming from outside your house. It's coming from the basement. Oh, you were saying thank you about switching the music. Gotcha. Smells like tiger balm in here. What? I shared this in the Discord. Make sure you join the Discord. I can't open Discord right now. I'll just slow everything down. I don't know if you can. Hold on. Might be hard to see or tell, but that's my front yard. It is nothing but ice. It's really sleet, snow, and ice. It's good times. Hey, but I'm on a hill, so it's been sliding down the hill today. So that's a lot of fun. It was cool. Son really enjoyed it. Nothing just screams trade to me right now. I'm already long on Solana and XRP. Not really the best fair value gap. No wick on this handle. Let's go to the 3. Let's go to the 2. Still nothing. Money flow coming down. Momentum trying to reject the 0 line as it's moving to the upside here. Might be it is Asia, so Asia likes to play off of order blocks. Mitigated these highs. I don't know, man. It just doesn't look terrible. It also doesn't look great. No sweep of the low. $15-minute order block. This is what has acted as resistance today. This last little 2-candle move. You could even take in that last candle. And boom. Nice short. Reject order block. Not once, but twice. So that's what it's got to get above. Has to get above that. And I'm going to be honest, I don't know. Even if it does, still want to get that back test and go. I don't like all these lows. I mean, this entire downwards move, this entire range really, you see built up lows, you get a nice pump, and then you come down and you take the lows. I mean, we've been doing that over and over and over again. And until that changes, might as well play it. Do have the happy face here. The double VWAP over bots. So early bearish signals. I need it to go to the upside though. I need XRP to go. As usual, I don't like these lows. We're going over this in JR's Discord on the video call. I kind of have a Wyckoff accumulation going on in here. Your seller's climax, your automatic rally off of that, your secondary test. Forget what this move is called. And then you got like your little creek where you just go creek. It did flush. It did pop. There's your spring. And then want to see it get up, correct, and then continue higher. Maybe get a schematic for that. Who was it that was going over that with me? Was it Degeneration X? This looks... So you see your seller's climax, your automatic rally, secondary test. You just come back up. Resistance levels, okay. Secondary test, secondary test. I mean, it's almost to the T, right? Secondary test, another push up. And then your correction to the downside for your spring. Last point of support, maybe in here. Or that might be what I was showing earlier with the 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Be this little move right here. You get a bounce, correct, sign of strength, and then push to the upside. So I mean, it's literally got every single move in here. What is PS? PS. Point of supply? Maybe? But you got your seller's climax, automatic rally, secondary test, next rally up, another rally up, next rally up, secondary test. Pretty similar. Then the push, yeah. Either way, they're never perfect, let me tell you. But I mean, it's there. Granted, it is hourly, so short-term bullish. No hands, no hands. I mean, if you're ever going to long somewhere, it might as well be support. I'm just saying. You might want it to be support. LBC, engineered liquidity. Yeah, exactly. All set knows. Manufacturing labor market might very well implode mid-year if they hold or hike rates. Would bring back a lot of volatility. If they hold or hike rates this week? Maybe. You gotta remember, the market is already priced in a pause, so I don't know that they're gonna react too much to the pause. They've been pricing it in, that is. Now, if something else happens that comes as a surprise, that might make things pretty volatile. Yeah, I mean, at the lows here on XRP, I mean, when else are you gonna buy the dip other than at the lows? Not BTC. XRP BTC. I'm pretty sure this is also, yeah. See, XRP's been holding pretty nice here against Bitcoin as well. The entire sideways move still holding against Bitcoin. ETH BTC also at demand. I hate to get bullish. Sol BTC. Ew. I wasn't expecting that. Wow, it's really been losing against Bitcoin, huh? But again, at lows. Better than Home Depot.
Blue screens glow like moonlit seas. Candles
Hmm.
rise and drown beneath. Every wave's a loaded gun. Pull too fast and the damage done. I've chased tops, I've bled on lows. Paid tuition.
So you flip previous support into resistance, pull back. Now you want to hold support, this support here. It can happen. Star Wars, it's a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap. He's gonna tell me, hell no, that's trading money. Night Dutchie. Thank you for joining us. Mad love. Who's gonna tell you heck no, it's trading money? No one front running the short on BTC at the moment. What? I mean, this does look a little, this is more corrective. Anchor VWAP. Let's see. Let's go from, let's take the swing low. Okay, so this is where most of the money has been traded since this low. 87,779. What is this anchored VWAP? This is somewhere. Where is this? This low? I'm on Blowfin. Get off Blowfin. Sorry, there's nothing wrong with Blowfin as far as I know. Just Bybit has more volume. Okay, so anchor VWAP from the swing high over here, sitting at $90,997. I just don't know why you would be shorting right now, to be honest. This is looking kind of bullish to me. Now, granted, in order to really get bullish, this needs to come up, take that high, pull back, get a continuation. Then we can be really bullish. But I mean, you've got bull divs here on the 4 hour. Nothing really saying bearish other than money flow. Money flow is red on the 4 hour. It does take time to come back up though. So let's look at the hourly. Hourly still below the zero line as well. What about the 30-minute? 30-minute has gone green. This is actually a, if you're into this kind of thing, good old cup and handle. Classic. I don't like these lows, to be honest. Like, I'm not denying that I'm not saying it can't, that a short is not a good move. I'm just saying I just don't see it right now. No internal lows, no significant lows taken anyway. Momentum is still creeping to the upside. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know about the short. You're above this range value area high here. Let's take in all the candles right there. Okay, so butting up against it. Short down to VWAP, anchor VWAP, and point of control. Anchor VWAP might creep to the upside. Just be careful, man. It's trying to go. It's trying to move. I think what I would like to see is a push and give us a nice wick to really show that we're just trying to clear these highs, and then move to the downside, have VWAP kind of curve up, and then we can get a push, because then we're looking at a potential 1 2 1 2 and then go. Nice little correction. And that tends to be how cup and handles play out anyway. They tend to give you a fake out and then come back to give you another handle. 2 handle cups. Drink it like this. Nice offset. Closing a profit is a win. There we go. Bear probably waiting for premium zone. Did you close? Don't listen to me, man. Don't listen to anybody but yourself. It is rejecting that value area high, so we do have fair value gaps. And this is the thing right here. Being above all this sell delta, where does a market maker like to buy? Buy low. Well, if you have a lot of sell orders below price, market maker needs to fill some buys. We'll go to the sellers. And then return to the upside. So the short could be in play for sure. There you go. I'm still waiting before entering short. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's really struggling here. It's not impulsive. It is very choppy and sideways, so not a lot of fun. Not trendy, nothing. Still, we're at the top of the range, consolidating at the top of the range. I do like that. Just got to be mindful that this could come down. Sweep some lows and then go to the upside. But it's all about seeing what it does at the levels, key levels. We did sweep that, come down. Don't take the low here or this low. Don't take either one of those. Probably wouldn't have been a bad short coming and getting this one. I mean, you did come down, you did break this low. Up, down, up, break, back test, order block, push. Potentially. Alright, Solana. Oh, they just can't make up their minds. Got a feeling this is just going to pump to 131. I'll probably do something stupid like this. Just chaos. Yeah, I so didn't care about FOMC this week that I even forgot that it was even FOMC week as I was doing the stream last night. You guys use volume? We need some volume to confirm. Yeah, that's the problem. It's Asia. Helping we take that CME gap? Potentially we could. Okay, so I went from 80 degrees to 30 today. Guess I get to be sick tomorrow. Yeah, yeah. Welcome to my life. Expecting to stay paused. Nothing really there. PPI on Friday. FOMC is Wednesday. Durable goods orders was up. That's not bad. Prior was minus 2.1. Forecast was 3.7. That's not bad. That's good. Which meant to last at least 3 years. Wow. Okay. Rating dog. Manufacturing. Okay, China. We in the crypto trenches, ain't no surrender. Bear in a blender. Solana. Just leaving imbalances behind. You don't want to defend us. Bearish divergence. Nothing really, still above the 50 on the 15. Yeah, we need to see some lows. We need lows taken. We need fair value gaps created on those lows, on the sweeps, and pullbacks into the fair value gaps, and then short to liquidity resting below us. If we want to get short. If you want to get long, it's as simple as breaking the resistance, pulling back to it, testing it for support, and getting a bounce, getting an increase in volume at the same time. That's what you want to see. ES trying to go? Wow. S&P 500. Pretty much looking like the NASDAQ. Both looking like they're trying to go. Yeah, these are looking good. Bitcoin's just lagging so far behind. But man, we've been in a correction for over a year. The longer you correct, typically the harder you pump. So, would not be shocked if Bitcoin just once gold comes down the breadth in the market should start to open up. Gold and silver. Because just think about it. Let's come down here. Let's look at gold and silver. Let's look at silver. 15-minute. You see this pullback right here? You see this pullback right here on silver? See the same thing right here on gold? Yeah, that's nearly... Was it between both assets or just one? I think it was between both. But this one little move. Nearly $2 trillion. $2 trillion. More than Bitcoin's entire market cap. I fail to see why people think there's not enough liquidity to push Bitcoin and therefore crypto. There's plenty of liquidity. Plenty. Just locked up in assets. They just got to sell. And then rotate. They have to actually rotate too. And there's a lot of crypto, a lot of Bitcoin people in gold and silver. Riding the wave. And for all we know, they've just been pumping it, selling it, stacking Bitcoin. Pumping it, selling it, stacking Bitcoin. While Bitcoin just goes sideways for forever. Just riding gold and silver and then selling pieces and then buying Bitcoin. Whatever it is. Buying other assets. Whatever it is. I mean, the crazy thing is that we have gold and silver both being parabolic, and the stock market isn't tanking. And really, Bitcoin's not even tanking. The only thing that's really tanking is what? The dollar? It's trying to get bullish. A lot of people don't know. It literally takes only 20 to 50 billion dollars to add $1 trillion in market cap to Bitcoin. But yeah, I rotated into silver. There you go. They're chopping people up. Yeah, they are. Even an Infinite Team TA coming in right at the end. All good. I need to end on time tonight. Hello? Music? Oh, let's get rid of it. Yeah, so thank you all for joining me this evening. Do greatly appreciate it, as always. Eventually we'll be able to, I don't know, man. It must be the time that I go live. It's just very rarely doing anything. Also, only on for an hour. So, there's got to be a move within that hour. Okay, trying to get a pump now. We'll see. But I went over, I think, all the potential scenarios that I see. So I think that should help set people up. And yeah, so yeah. But I'm tired. I'm about to fall asleep, to be honest. I'm yawning. I got work tomorrow. But at least I don't have to get up as early. Like, I can just sleep in at like an hour later, so that's good. I don't have to go in as at our normal time. But yeah, I appreciate all of you legends, absolute legends. You're just absolutely amazing, and thank you for always for showing up and showing out. I do greatly appreciate it. If you enjoyed the stream, please hit that like button. And if you are new, hit that subscribe. Don't forget to join the free Discord. Oh, and hit that notification bell. Join the free Discord. Be hanging out in there. Unfortunately, I thought I was going to be able to hang out in there tomorrow, but that's not the case anymore. So it is what it is. But yeah, guys. Yeah, we'll just come back tomorrow. Do it all again. Do the same thing again. So, and the next day. Am I losing my voice? It kind of seems like it, but I don't know why I would lose my voice unless I'm getting sick. But I don't feel sick, so maybe it's just I'm just tired. I don't know. Thank you all. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep and an even better Tuesday. Mad love. God bless. Ride the waves. Peace out. Bye.
I put on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's a wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC.